Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me for the month of July with my two monetized YouTube channels. So just going to move OBS over here, and then we're going to switch over to my desktop here. So this one here is my review YouTube channel. First off, you might be asking, why do I have two different YouTube channels? It's good to niche down at least a little bit on your YouTube channels. That way, if somebody subscribes to your channel, they know what to expect. For example, if I were to upload a bunch of these YouTube related videos and then the next day make like a Barbie Dreamhouse review, you guys would be like, what in the world is going on with this channel? So let's filter out to July. That's why I have two YouTube channels. This one's my review one, and the one that you guys are currently watching on is dedicated to just documenting my journey making money with YouTube and the Amazon influencer program. So July, I got 47,000 views on this one and almost 900 hours worth of watch time, and subscribers, 45 subscribers. So I'm not going to gain a lot of subscribers with this YouTube channel just because, like I said, it's just a bunch of videos that's getting views based off of search results. So 47, and then for the month of July I made $300.53. And I had comments before about people saying they wanted me to like refresh the screen. So just jumping and showing you guys me navigating through the back end of YouTube. Hopefully that is good enough, because I feel like some people might be thinking I'm faking these numbers. But if I was faking numbers, which I wouldn't do, but why would I just be faking like a couple $100? I don't know. That's my guess of why they wanted me to refresh the screen and such. But as you can see, there's some days like I posted 3 videos here, 3 videos here, 3 videos here, 4 videos there, 1 video, and then stopped. Then 1 video, 2 videos, and like I said, since a lot of these videos are getting views based off of search results, I'm not too concerned of like the frequency of uploads, just because I just want to title it properly. That way, when people are looking for that thing, they could potentially find one of my videos and give it a view. Okay, so going over to how much this channel has made in the past, the last 6 months: 207, 284, 246, 368, 353, and so far, it's only showing like 3 days into August, which is $20.78, and the content that's generating the most ad revenue. Just a couple of tutorials here. Actually, all 3 of these are tutorials based on apps, and then one is how to replace a kitchen sink spray, and then one of my reviews for a bat repelling system. So that's what's getting views on the back end. Even if you just go back to overview, you can see within the last 48 hours, this channel has been getting over 3,000 views. And then you can see within the last 60 minutes, 75 views. One of the things that's been constantly getting views on this channel is just a keyboard review, Raid Wasp spray, and again, just tutorials. That's why I love making tutorials on this channel here. Like, they'll always get views. Like if it's something relevant, someone will always be searching for that particular problem, and you provide the solution. So that's why I like making those types of videos. And then you can see all the videos that are still getting views there. Okay, so let us hop back over here so I could log into my other channel here just to show you guys the back end. Okay, so we could go back. All right, here is the dashboard once again. This channel is the channel that you guys are currently watching this video on. So 41,000 subscribers, almost 42,000, getting pretty close. You can see my summary here. I have, within the last 28 days, over 200,000 views and over $400, but we're focusing on July here. So let's break into the channel analytics and let's filter down to July. And let's see what our numbers are looking like. So right here, over 228,000 views, 1,400 hours of watch time, 158 subscribers, and YouTube paid me $483.15. I would say it's pretty solid amount. And then the views where are the views currently coming from? A lot of them currently are coming from YouTube Shorts. As you can see, whenever you see the thumbnails that's looking like this that don't have a dedicated thumbnail, those are Shorts. So the top 4 for me right now are just different YouTube Shorts. So this is going to be more like a YouTube Shorts channel. Like I'll probably be making like one long form video a week and then driving traffic to the long form video with a bunch of shorts, because that seems to be what's working on this YouTube channel. Going to be keep on going with that trend. I just make like short form content based around like YouTube monetization or Amazon monetization, and it just pulls into the long form and I get ad revenue that way, in addition to ad revenue off of the YouTube Shorts. So let's go over to the revenue tab here, and then I can show you the last 6 months. So last 6 months been kind of crazy. Okay, so March 383, April 344, 371, $678.98 for June. That month, that's pretty crazy for me. And then we're dipping back down to 483, and so far with just 3 days of monetization, I'm at $34.07. Is it 3 days? Let me see. Hold on. Going over to 28 days. Okay, no, only 2 days. 2 days of monetization so far for the month of August, because the data for day August 3rd has not populated yet in terms of revenue. So forget what I was saying earlier. But let's look at the content performance here. You can see for my long form videos, of this 483 amount, 467 of it was from my long form videos. And again, this channel is generating revenue from on the back end on videos that I made in the past, which were tutorials. So that's pretty much where I get a lot of my money, whether it be for tutorials on this channel or tutorials on the other channel. That's why I kind of want to make more tutorials on the other channel, just so I could drive more traffic through search results through review products and the tutorials. But you know, I'm still getting views on the back end from these. I also want to start making tutorials about YouTube related stuff and kind of niching down on this channel. That's the benefit of having multiple channels as well. Like I could really try focusing in on getting, like, you know, building an audience on this channel, and then on the other channel I could just do whatever I want, because sometimes I could just be pretty random with the type of videos I want to make. So my second channel, I have 100% creative freedom to do whatever I want, and this one will be focused in a little bit more. But that's going to be the plan moving forward. This one's going to be dedicated more on finance, monetization, Amazon, and the other one's going to be just whatever happens. But let's go back. So why did I have a large month in June? So you can see here, this video, or can you not see? Well, this video here. So I got 464 views, and this one got $41. It's just pretty crazy. I mean, again, it's a tutorial just talking about the SpaceX stocks when, like, you know, that was the big news because it IPO'd. If you guys don't know what that means, basically the stock became public, and normal investors were able to purchase the stock. And yeah, so ad rates for that were insane at that point. But I mean, the standard video I'm making right now doesn't generate that much ad revenue. So if you look at my most recent video here, I got 85 views, 3 hours of watch time, 2 subscribers, pretty good. And it made me 27 cents. Looks like YouTube is starting to kick it back out again. I'm starting to get more views through browse, which is what you want to see. And then let's go through, let's see, click-through rate. We're at 4%, dip, 4. Okay, so when it gets like above 4, I assume YouTube starts pushing it out a little bit more. But I also wanted to show you guys, okay, so we're still filtered out to July revenue, and you can just kind of see how much am I making through the YouTube Shorts. So YouTube Shorts, this one's still getting views. I made $9. I had 87,000 engaged views. It was making like 18 cents per engaged viewer for a total of $15. I would say that's a decent amount for shorts. I mean, shorts doesn't pay a lot just because a lot of my shorts are like 10 to 30 seconds, and it's very, very low effort shorts. So for me, just me holding up my phone, just recording a little bit, it doesn't matter that much. Not a lot of time is basically what I'm trying to say. So I don't mind it making low amount if it just keeps getting a good amount of views, giving my channel more exposure, and then hopefully driving traffic towards the long form content. But yeah, I mean, even one of my old videos here, so this one got almost 300 views. YouTube paid me $1.50. So not making big money off of each upload or anything like that, but I mean, still, every little bit helps. I'm having like multiple income sources. You know, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. This is just like the YouTube side. I still make money off of the Amazon side, and collectively together, I make over $1,000 a month, which is what I'm looking to do. But yeah, if you have any specific questions, feel free to leave in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.